Hey guys, in previous video we have successfully created how to add account in Facebook Business Manager account guys. In middle of the time we got stuck and we got unfortunately one something went wrong in Facebook guys. So because the reason I am not showing you what is assets and how to add people to manage your ad account guys. So in this video I am going to cover what is assets and how to add people to your ad ad accounts in Facebook Business Manager account guys. First of we are going to discuss about what is assets guys. Assets means in real life what is assets? Assets means it is your property, right? In real life we are talking about what is asset means it's your property. In coming to Facebook, assets means assets is this these futures in our Facebook personal account or Facebook business account. These futures we called as assets. In assets we have pages, ad accounts, Instagram accounts, pixels, apps, catalogs, and etc guys. These are we called as assets guys. And second one is how to add people to manage your ad accounts guys, and I am going to show you in live how to add assets. Now we have an idea about what is assets guys. Now I am going to show you how to add assets, where we can add assets in ad account and everything I am going to show you in live. Please hold on, don't skip the video guys, it is very important in ad account guys. So you need to learn, must you need to learn. So because the reason, please hold on. And simply here you can see I am in home page now in my personal account. Simply go to open another tab and search this particular search query, business.facebook.com guys. Whenever you search this particular URL in your search engine, it opens like this after creating everything about your ad account guys. If you are fresher or newbie, please watch previous 2 or 3 videos guys, and it will give you some more in-depth knowledge about Facebook Business Manager account. And we have successfully create a ad account. Here you can see digital marketing YouTube, and whenever click on this particular button, it will open about this particular ad account only guys. Here you can see after clicking on this button, here you can see ads manager. In this ads manager we have already I talked about, and I told you about what are the features under in ad account is. First one is account overview. Everything about account overview is available here. Whenever you click on it, it will show you everything about in this particular ad account only. After then campaigns, ad sets, and ads. These are the three features we have to fill and we have to create for ads in Facebook advertisement. And now I am going to show you how to create ad sets guys. Simply click on this button and click on business settings. Here you can see after click on business settings, here you can see people, partners, pages, ad accounts, everything. So many features, bunch of features available over here. Everything I am going to explain you in detail in root level knowledge guys. Don't miss this type of sessions guys. And here you can say add assets, add asset. These two symbols are two buttons are same guys. Now after clicking on this particular one, it's showing like this. And here whenever you click on this one, it's showing like this. Same two buttons is almost equal. And here you can see people. In previous what we are discussing here, add assets and add people to manage account. First we are going to add assets guys. And add assets means whenever click on add assets, it's showing like this. I already discussed about this particular one. What is assets? Pages, ad accounts, catalogs, apps, and etc more. And whenever click on these pages, whatever pages you added in your ad account, it will appear in this. If you are looking to add more pages, simply cancel this button and click on pages. Whenever click on pages, here you can see I have two pages. So because the reason these two pages appear in this particular people's button here in this assets. Whenever you add uh, new pages. At that time these pages also appear in this people and assets box. Okay, now I think now I hope you understand, guys. And now today's our topic is how to add assets and how to add people. So because the reason I'm giving more information about these particular two concepts only. And whenever click on add people, see, please drop this who are, for which one you are going to give access. Please drop the in this box their email address. And suppose I am going to give one random email address, digital Chandu. This is not email address, guys. I'm just showing for an example, 123 at gmail.com. Here you can see the next button is not enabled, not activated yet. Why? Because we are not giving access to anyone. So because the reason it is still disabled. Whenever you give particular one single email address, here you can see the button has been activated. After giving email addresses, here you can see there are two options available over here. One is employee access and the second one is admin access. Which access you are going to you give to this particular person? And if you want to give employee access, no need to give enable button. Why? Because the button is already enabled. Here simply click next button. If you want to give admin access, at that time click on this button. Whenever you click on this button, this person will get admin access to this particular ad account, guys. Don't give admin access to anyone without doing any particular high level activities to this particular guy. And here you can see most of people talk about these particular two options only. Here you can see whenever click on this particular see another more options. Here you can see finance and analyst and finance editor also. Whenever you give access, see, if I am going to give particular employee access to this particular X person, and whenever you give employee access, those people can manage your work. We whatever work you are assigned to this particular employee, those people can access to that particular one only. Whenever you give access to this particular finance analyst, those people can do such type of works, transactions, invoices, amount spending, payment methods, everything. If you off this button and give this button, at that time you those he is the finance editor can get to these options, guys. So to these future, to these roles, this person can add these complete futures, transactions, in invoices, account spending, and they can edit a credit card and debit card details, finance details, everything those people can able to edit in your ad account, guys. So because the reason, be careful whenever give access to another people. See, now I am going to give access only employee access, guys, for this particular account. This is only for example person I am going to show you. After giving email addresses, click on next button. Here you can see now we enter into the assets box. After giving people assigned to particular role, it will ask you for which page you are going to give access. It will asking to you for we based upon that particular employee what roles are you are giving to them. Please click on here. I am going to give access to this particular page. In this particular page, what are the features and what are the roles those people are doing, those people are I am giving to access. See, I am going to give access to publish content only. At that time simply activate this button. Whenever I activate this button, here you can see four buttons are activated, and here these buttons are not activated. Whenever you off this button and click access to manage page, here you can see every options activated to this particular person. And here you can see if you want to give access to manage jobs and view earning insights. If you want to give access, simply click on this one. See, this is the process we are giving to access to another person. For people are adding sets to that particular person. If you want to give add access to this particular page also, please simply click on this one. Whenever you add more pages, it will appear over here, guys. If you want to give access only one page, simply click on that particular page, which page you are going to give access to some other person, who are your employer, client, whatever your wish. And second one is add accounts, guys. In which add account you are going to give access, please simply click on this particular add account. In this add account, here you can see the options are vary. Here in these pages, the options is these options. In add accounts, options is this particular person can manage campaigns, or else only view performance or manage ad account. If you give access only campaigns, those people can manage campaigns and view performance. Whenever you access to this particular manage ad account, he particular person can access, can create campaigns, can view performance, can add financial details, everything they can able to do in this particular account, guys. And after then catalogs, if you catalogs is nothing but next video I am going to explain you about it in depth, guys. And applications, these two are not in this particular video, so I am going to now discuss about it. I am going to explain you pages and add accounts, people, assets, guys. After giving access, simply click on invite button, guys. Which email address you enter in first session, those people, that particular person get notification from you, guys. After those, here I am going to show you. Here I am going to show you means assign to digital chandu 123.com, simply invite button. Whenever sent in click invite button, the invitation will send to this particular email address, guy. After then click on done. Here you can see where it is showing still pending, guys. Whenever that particular person verification completed, it will showing same like this, chandu chinnu, like chinnu chandu, same like that it will showing approved. After then those people can also edit everything in your account, what are the in which particular access to give to them, guys. This is the process we are going to add people and add assets and this is the process, guys. Hope this video very helpful to you, guys. And thanks for watching. If you are still not subscribed to my channel, simply click on red button below and subscribe to my channel for more free digital marketing tips. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.